How to create a new line account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can create a new line account. For that, you need to first of all install the application. Open up a Play Store or an App Store and then type in Line app, and so go ahead and tap the install button. Wait for the application to be installed. Application is completely installed. Click the open button. Now you begin with the registration process. So basically you have to go ahead and tap on the sign up button. Now tap the sign up button located right at the bottom. It's going to ask you whether you want to continue with your Google or not. If you want to do it, so then tap the continue with Google account, and it's going to show you a list of Gmail account that you actually have. So select the one that you wish to go with and click the continue button located right at the bottom. Now it's going to ask you to set a profile, so you can do that as well, and you can select the file from your device and tap the next button. After you've done that, now you need to set a profile name. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and type in my name and tap the arrow icon located right in the corner. Now since you're creating an account, it's mandatory for you to create a password. Make sure to go through the above criteria mentioned and accordingly create a password. On creating your password, it's going to sync your account data, so you have to wait patiently until the procedure is completed. Then you've successfully created your line account. So that's how you can create a line account. That is all for this video, and you can start adding friends or contact to your account. So that's basically how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.